the tip is broken off. It's got at least one big nick in it there, which means, you know, the whole blade will have to be ground down to the same depth as that nick. It's got, you know, if you could look along the blade, you can see it's got waves in it. That needs to be flattened out. And I don't know why, you know, manufacturers go for this big old stylish bolster here, because it's pointless. And on a chef's knife, it makes the knife useless after it's been sharpened once or twice. You cannot sharpen the bolster. So once you grind the blade down to where it's narrower than the bolster is long, it will not hit the cutting board at the back edge anymore.
Wow, yeah.
So how I remodel those is to grind the bolster down below the level, below the plane, or the trajectory of the blade edge.
Otherwise, it's a nice kitchen knife.
Like this one here. I did
Chef
this
knife.
one already.
I see.
Yeah, so the blade can be sharpened all the way back to the edge, and it will contact the cutting board. Slice parsley leaves all the way to the back. So, you want to see how that's done?
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I'm gonna have to thin out this little web connection there to make the blade thin enough at the back to sharpen.
So you removed this edge right here.
That's right.
So that the blade could be on
Sharpened all the way to the
all
back.
the way to the back.
Yep.
Wow. And now it's all shiny there. Pretty good.